welcome to the channel. Today we'll be getting into two very cool effects, and one is going to be a masking effect and the other will be a color changing effect. So let's get right into it. Okay, for the first effect, this is the color shift effect. So we're going to let's see, we're going to start a clip. Right here, play that off, and we're gonna click on this clip and make a duplicate. So Option and drag up to make a duplicate. And what we're gonna do here is we are going to go to the color board right here, and we are going to click on this no corrections arrow right here, and we're gonna go to color board. After we select color board, we'll come over to this icon right here. We are going to add a color mask. So click on this right here. After we click on this, we are going to click and hold. And whatever is not gray is what's going to be in color. So this is perfect right here. We want our pillow to be not in color. So when we stop the click and hold, the pillow will be in color. So right now it's not in color, but once you'll see after I let go and click and hold, it will be in color. So right now, just because we have the color mask on the pillow, it's not in color, and that's what we want. So what we're gonna do here is just to see if we got everything right, we're gonna adjust the color right here. And yep, we got it right. So we wanted our pillow to be this color, so we got it right. So after that, we are going to add a shape mask. So come over to this icon right here, and we're gonna add a shape mask. And this shape mask will go over anything that is in that color. So just adjust and rotate it to however you want it to be. According to your footage. And just to check, you can actually zoom in as well to see if you're accurate. It might not be perfect, but just try to do it as best as you can. And after you think you got a pretty accurate mask, you are going to click up here to the keyframe tab right here, and you're just gonna go frame by frame. You're gonna go frame by frame. To see if there's any adjustments you need to make throughout the clip. When you see you've done pretty well, that's when you can change the color of the pillow. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4 frames, and we're gonna go to a bluish effect. Then we're gonna go another 3 frames, and we can go a purplish effect, purplish color. And then another 3 frames, you can change it to a red. Now let's play that back and let's see how that looks. It looks okay so far. I think we need to stretch out this clip so we can see the effect more. So let's stretch this clip out. I'm just gonna go ahead, fast forward in the timeline to where we left off. And we're just gonna continue to keyframe. Now we can go for like a greenish look. Move a little bit more in the timeline. Go for a yellow. A little bit further in the timeline. Now let's just see how this looks now. Yeah, it looks really cool. That looks like a really cool effect right there. And this effect is simple. You can do this with cars. You can do this with t-shirts. You can do this with a lot of things. So hope you guys enjoy that effect. Now let's move on to the masking effect. Okay, for the masking effect, we're gonna go to the point in our footage where we want to start the effect. And let's stretch this a bit. And we're gonna go when he has both hands on his head. Place a marker right here and you just press M on your keyboard. Right where we want the effect, we're gonna cut it. So we're gonna Command B to blade it. And we wanna go about 1 frame and then blade again. I'm gonna zoom in though. And then 1 frame and then blade again. 1 frame, blade again. So we're gonna have about 4 bladed clips, 3 bladed clips. All right. And on our first bladed clip, actually we're just gonna make one more, a 4th one. And on our first clip, we are just going to mask. So we're gonna go to Effects tab and we're gonna go to our Draw Mask right here and drag that on the first clip. And let's just get to masking him out. And after we mask him out, we are going to go to the Inspector tab right here and we're gonna press Invert Mask. You can make adjustments as you want to. But after that, you are going to make a duplicate of the first mask. So you're gonna press Option and drag up. After you do that, you're gonna put this clip that you just drug up in between the next clip. So right about here. You can make another duplicate of this clip and then drag it up and put it in between here. And now let's play it back and let's see what this looks like so far. So it's like a glitch blinking effect. Alright, now that we have that's a pretty cool effect in itself right there. But since you guys stuck around, I'm gonna give you an extra tip with this effect. And we're gonna place something underneath this clip. So if you have anything, you can Google a photo of anything. In this case, we're just gonna use money since he already has money in his hand. And we're just gonna drag the money clip under our timeline. And as we play it back, you can see the money sign appears. And depending on your footage that goes under the clip, you can make this effect really cool. You can put an actual video under the clip. We won't go over that today, but that'll be really cool inside of an inverted mask. But you can adjust the color of the money sign. You can do all sorts of things to be creative with this effect. Play it back. Yeah, it's a lot you can do with this effect. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you are a video editor and operate in anything in Final Cut Pro post-production, here is the channel to be. Consider subscribing. If this video helped you out in any way, like and comment your favorite effect, because we will be dropping a lot of content soon and you want to be the first to check that out. So consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.
Yo, Kev, is that you?